Alright, so this is the 3D printed mount for your GoPro or whatever action camera that you may have. It didn't actually come with this piece right here. This is just a flat piece that I have. It is sold with this piece, the hardware, and this piece, so it fits directly underneath and into this slot right here. So it literally sits there perfectly. It makes the camera level with the bike, and it's just a perfect mount. Been using it for the past probably 3 or 4 months, so I've given it some testing. It's held up really well. The shots always come out solid. There's no vibrations, or if there is a little bit, it's just because of the bumps in the roads. But this is a perfect fit for this piece right here. It's, like I said, it's 3D printed, and you can see here that it actually just drops into the grooves and it fits perfectly. Same for the bottom portion. You can see it has the groove right there, and the 2 nuts that you just screwed these Phillips head screws into it. Like I said, really solid, great little mount. Only thing I don't really like is it covers up the BMW emblem. Not a big deal. I think it's a pretty cool little emblem there, but again, you don't even notice it once it's covered up. But this is something you can put on and off, you know, in the matter of just a few minutes. Like I said, it does not come with this flat mount. You have to have one of your own. And it does require a flat mount. You cannot use a curved one like your helmet. So you need to make sure that you have the adhesive and the mount to go ahead and mount this on here. But it's literally a perfect fit for the S1000R, for the handlebars right there. This piece kind of just goes up and under, and then you screw it in, and the thing's rock solid. I have some footage that I've previously recorded, and I'll show you with the camera facing myself and with the camera facing the speedometer and the rest of the front of the bike. So the next clips are just going to be kind of sped up a little bit depending on how long the clip was, or the nature of the clip, I guess. I do have some riding clips, and I'll go from my helmet to the handlebar cam, back to the helmet. So if you're looking for one way to kind of improve your videos or just give different angles, this is a great little piece to have and add to your, you know, your recording gear or whatnot. I think it was like 12 bucks total that I bought it from. That was including the shipping. It was shipped really fast. I'll have a link in the description below of where I bought it from. And if you're on the S1000R forum, you can find a thread about it on there. This is where I found it. So you can check that out. I'll try to leave a link to that as well. It even included like colored directions. There's directions on how to install this, and it was, you know, from A to Z, so you can't really mess this up. The directions aren't really required. That's just going above and beyond from the seller. Great little thing to have, and I highly recommend it. If you guys have an S1000R, you should go ahead and pick one up.